Welcome to Bell CB for a tune-up report on a Galaxy 94 HP. This is for Jason in Alberta, Canada. Jason, this is what we got on this one. We're looking at 100 watts across the top. High power is set for 30. And if I set this for 10 watts across the top and I turn the power down, we got 3 watts. Okay, I'm going to turn the power back up. 250 watts lug today. So we're looking across the top. That 10 is 100. And that little notch sticking out right there. Right there. That's 125. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then sideband. Right over here. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio. Audio check, 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 check. Okay. Now I'll stick it on the airway. Check, check, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. Audio. Audio check confirmed. Audio check confirmed. You want to get that box in the house? You don't sound like a local. Is that somebody who's skipland coming down here to Fort Lauderdale, bro? Hey, Fort Lauderdale.